Hello, everyone. Welcome to Simple English Hub, my channel. I'm super excited to have you here. In today's video, we bring you a natural English conversation between a man and a woman. It's simple, engaging, and great for improving your everyday English skills. Let's get started. Hi, excuse me, are you in line?
Oh no! You can go ahead. I'm still deciding.
Thanks. I think I'll get a latte. What about you? Any recommendations?
I usually get a cappuccino, but their caramel macchiato is amazing too.
Oh, sounds tempting. Maybe I'll try that. So, do you come here often?
Yeah, a few times a week. It's my favorite spot to work or relax. What about you?
First time, actually. I just moved to this area.
Oh, nice. Welcome to the neighborhood. How do you like it so far?
Thanks, it's great, but I'm still figuring out where everything is.
Well, this place is a good start. They also have free Wi-Fi if you work remotely.
That's good to know. Are you working now or just relaxing?
Just taking a break. I'm a graphic designer, so sometimes I need a change of scenery.
Well, it was nice talking to you. Thanks for the drink suggestion.
Anytime. Good luck settling in. Maybe I'll see you around.
I hope so. Have a great day.
You too.
Thanks for watching Simple English Hub. If you enjoyed this conversation, like, share, and subscribe for more English practice. See you next time.